Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. And in this video, we're going to answer a question I had when I was ordering some pens online. And my big question is, what's the deal with correction tape on the top of a multi-pen? So this is the Pilot Acroball multi-pen, and it's supposed to have like a correction tape dispenser on the top of it. So that's that thing right there. The issue is, I don't know what the correction tape is for. As with many things though, sometimes, well, the solution is just buy it and play with it. So let's see. Let's get into this thing and take a look at it. Alright, so it's a multi-pen with black and red and blue. So we have the Pilot Acroball, and we have black and I like the color of that blue. And then we have red. Now, I included links in the description if you want to find this on Amazon or at the Tokyo Pen Shop. I think it was like $8 or $10. How does the correction tape thing work? Okay. That's at least one answer. So this clicks down like so, and then we press it down like that, and what's the correction tape for though? That isn't too bad to write across the top of it. Let's try this out. So, correction tape. So we just basically sort of put the correction tape over the top of our mistake. Alright, this is kind of cool. Correction tape. Okay, that's cool. I don't know if it's useful exactly, but it is officially worth $10 worth of amusement for me. So they have instructions on how to refill the correction tape. Let's see. Well, in order to refill the pen, I'm guessing, if it's like the other ones, you squeeze this part right here that rotates, and then you unscrew it and you replace them. And I'm assuming this takes normal Pilot Acroball refills. So there's that. And so for this, it looks like you just pull it out. Okay. So you just pull it out and pop in a new refill, I guess. Well, it's not too painful. Alright. That's actually kind of a cool pen. I like that pen. I wasn't expecting it to be like interesting or anything. I was just expecting it to be some weird crappy thing. But the correction tape actually seems to work. I don't, again, know what you'd really correct, but neat. Anyway, let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you would have use for the correction tape thing. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.